Hello, 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 beautiful chocolate people. Welcome to another Xhosa 101 video. Today we'll be doing a video on words that as Xhosa people, you will, like in Xhosa, you will write the same, but actually mean different things. They can actually be sentences. You can use the one word as a sentence. But yeah, the video is from a tweet that I saw a couple of weeks ago. I think right after, oh, that's not a couple of weeks ago, but like, yeah. I saw the tweet right after I did the first Xhosa 101, and I was so excited, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to make a video of this. You guys need to, you guys need to see, you guys need to experience. Xhosa is an experience. I don't know how, any language actually is an experience, but I'm just saying, it's an experience just listening to how you have to say these words, how you have to use them, your tone. Your tone says a lot. That's the major thing. If you get the tone wrong, you will mean something totally different from what you're trying to say. So if you are interested in learning more Xhosa today, then please continue watching. So the tweet that I saw was from Ukanti Pai or Pai. I hope I got your name right. Sorry if I botched your name. And the tweet says, Xhosa lesson, then the word. Okay, so I'm gonna put the word here. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the word here so that you guys can see what word we are using. And yeah, so Ukantipai wrote a tweet and it said Xhosa lesson, and that was the word. And just to give you guys insight on what we're about to do, listen to my tone. Ne? First of all, listen to my tone and listen to on which parts I emphasize, on which parts of the word I emphasize, because that's one thing that people never get. It is how to emphasize the words, like on which part of the word do you emphasize in order to mean something. So it sounds better when I say it in Xhosa, like mamela indaweni zayigcinisa kahle. Indaweni zayigcinisa isound kuyo bethuna. That's when that's another determinant of what your word will mean. Ne? So please listen to that. The first word, Ubulele, which means were you sleeping? The second, Ubulele, which means did you kill? The third word is Ubulele, which means did you give thanks? Now what I want to make sure that you guys understand is that my Xhosa is not that great. How I pronounce it, sometimes people look at me like, no, that's not how you say the word. That's not how you say it. It doesn't sound right. So please forgive me. To all the Xhosa people who have amazing Xhosa accents, please correct me if I get something wrong there. Cool. Fourth word is Ubulele, which means do give thanks. And then the fifth word is Ubulele, which means he killed or she killed. The sixth word is Ubulele, which means he, oh wow, did I say that right? Yo, hey. Oh, the sixth word is Ubulele, which means he or she gave thanks. So did you get it? I hope you guys got this, and I hope you guys are listening to how I say it. If you're confused somewhere, you need to go back. So this is one word. This is one word. You write it the same way you write it. There's nothing that changes except tone in how you say it, and how you say it, because we're talking about speaking. We're not talking about writing. So you guys got that right. This is funny. Xhosa teases people, guys. So Zugisa wrote, I'm replying to the tweet. I hope I get this right, because some things in this tweet are confusing, because I didn't do Xhosa, guys, in high school, but I think my Xhosa is a little bit better than some people who did his Xhosa. So Zugisa wrote, ligama elinye kodwa imvakalo zandi okanye indlela yokuphimisela igama iyehluka. Icaca kakuhle xa ubhale ngobhalo lwefonetiki. Kwaye ezokuqala ezintathu yimibuzo. ufanele kubekho uphawu lombuzo xa uzibhala, which is why I wrote a question mark, because those are questions. So yeah, guys, the people who were replying to this tweet were the best. I loved them. So Captain Marvel, I don't know who Captain Marvel is. Captain Marvel wrote, this is another word, but it's a whole sentence. It's one word, write it the same way, it means different things, but with that one word, you can write it and make a sentence. It is, it's uze, or U-Z-E. And this is what the sentence is. Captain Marvel wrote a full sentence. Uze, uze, uze. Did you hear what I said? Ne? Uze, uze, uze. Guys, Xhosa is nice. Look. The meaning of that sentence is do come naked. All of those words, did you see? All of those words mean totally different things, but they're one word that can make a whole sentence. You get it? Another phrase that was used was "nditembe wena." So it can be used in different ways to mean different things. So this is sonke dandala. Sonke writes 1. Nditembe wena, which means trust me. 2. Nditembe wena, which means I trust you. 3. Nditembe wena, which means should I trust you? So you see, guys, guys, I'm so sorry. I enjoy my language, even though I didn't do it. I didn't do it because when it comes to, guys, I'm sorry, speaking is Xhosa is very easy. Like, okay, speaking is Xhosa because Xhosa is very easy. But ukusifunda and going through the whole poems and analyzing poems, writing essays, that was hard for me because I don't know Xhosa that well. If you really like my video, please give my video a thumbs up by liking it down here. Yeah, like it down there. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up by liking my video down here. And if you would like to become part of my family, please click on that subscribe button. Yes, the red one. If it's not gray, then you're not subscribed. And please click on the notification bell so that you can get notifications whenever I post. Thank you so much for joining me. Tell your friends and your family, share this video, watch it, and tell me what you think in the comment section below. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your week.